Balitang Rational. Good morning, Pilipinas, and welcome to another edition of Balitang Rational. For this video, allow me to use English and Tagalog as our medium of instruction. Isang set ng rational expression na naman ang ating isi-simplify, but here we have multiplication of two different rational expressions. Of course, we could multiply all the numerators and all the denominators, pero it will take us time and baka we will just have an expression na napakalayo sa simplified form. Kaya dito, we're going to make sure that we are going to factor what can be factored para may makancel tayo as early as possible so that our result later is already a simplified expression. Ang ating unang rational expression is the x squared minus x minus 12 all over 5x minus 5. Let us see if meron tayo makakancel just for this pair. Our numerator can be factored out using the AC way. So our AC way natin dito is ito. You have our A, which is 1, and our C is negative 12, which will give us a result of negative 12. Then, maghahanap tayo ng pairs of factors na kung ating i-add will result to the middle term, which is negative 1. So meron tayong factors na 1 and then negative 12. Pwede din negative 1 at saka positive 12. We could also use 2 and negative 6, and then negative 2 and 6. And then we also have these pairs. Meron din tayong 3 at saka negative 4, and meron tayong negative 3 and 4. We have 6 pairs of factors na kung i-multiply natin sa kanilang partner, we'll get negative 12. But which of these, when added, will result to negative 1? Because our middle term is negative 1. So if we're going to add all of this, there must be a pair that will result to negative 1. If there is no pair na magre-result sa negative 1, then we will stay our expression as it is. But here, we have this pair of 3 and negative 4. Because 3 times negative 4 is negative 12. Pero pag 3 plus negative 4, we will return to our negative 1. In short, ang masasabi natin sa ating first numerator is an expression that is the result when multiplying x plus 3 and x minus 4. Now, pumunta tayo dun sa ating denominator. Yung ating denominator can be factored out using common monomial factoring, which is 5. When we factor out 5, yung matitira sa 5x is just x. And then, when we factor 5 to our second term, we'll have minus 1 as our result. Looking at our first set of rational expression, wala tayong makakancel kasi walang common term sa numerator at denominator. So we will just proceed with factoring the second set. Yung second set natin is 3x minus 3 sa ating numerator. Meron din itong common monomial factoring, which is 3. And yung matitira is x. Saka yung matitira sa second term natin is minus 1. Okay, that's the result of factoring the numerator of the second rational expression. For our denominator, dito, meron tayong x squared minus 9, which is a difference of 2 squares. Kasi, yung terms natin ay separated by a subtraction at saka both of them are perfect square. So when we have a difference of 2 square, we expect two binomials of the same first term, same second term, but they just differ on our operations. Take the square root of x squared, you have x, at saka x dito. Then, we take the square root of the second term, 9, which is a 3, and we have 3 here as well. Looking at our second rational expression, we also don't have any other term that can be, or expression that can be cancelled out. But, here's the thing. Pag meron tayong multiplication ng rational expression na ibinigay ng ating given, ibig sabihin nito, we can just simply multiply all numerators and all denominators at the same time. Kahit na yung mga terms or expressions na ating i-cancel belong to different rational expressions. I'm talking about x plus 3 dito at saka may x plus 3 sa denominator ng ating second rational expression. Ibig sabihin nito, we can cancel this with this. Because again, they are under multiplication. And kapag i-multiply natin ito, we just simply combine both of them into one rational expression. Hence, gagamitin natin yung cancellation law natin. This is also true with this expression and this expression here. Kasi may x minus 1 dito at saka may x minus 1 sa taas. So yung natitirang expression natin sa ating numerator ay 3 times x minus 4. All over, we have 5 times x minus 3. Don't be concerned with this kasi di yan pwede. The coefficient, while yung 3 sa baba is a member of a binomial expression. So this is now the result after we have applied the cancellation law. Or our final rational expression will be like this. 3x minus 12 as we return the expression or the terms outside using distributive property natin at saka yung sa baba will result to 5x minus 15. So ito po yung tamang sagot. Lester Lou Sigumpan, nagbabalita for Balitang Rational. Huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe, i-like at i-share ang video ito. Maraming salamat!